What's up, everyone? Today we're going to take a look at this CLOVER. It's a windshield sunscreen. So it comes in this little pouch. Comes with some suction cups and a little cloth and some instructions. Here is the cover. The one that I got was a 39 by 20. And it's for a back windshield, and I got it for the truck. It's a 16 Silverado, and the window is only like 12 inches tall, but I figure I can tuck this behind the seat and we'll see if it works out. It does have a little bungee right here. I'm not sure what it's for, but let's go throw it in the window. Oh, before we do that though, I will say the included suction cups, they do talk about, oh, well, if they're deformed, you can put them in hot water and they'll come out, but these ones are pretty cheap and they probably would, but anyway, that's pretty cheap. The screen, I can't fold it back into the cover. That's probably user error, but cover's pretty useless. Here we are. Here's the window shade. It's just made to cover baby for our daughter. And it covers just enough as far as what we're looking for. We get a lot of that southern exposure driving home, etc., etc. So it says first, use your included cleaning cloth to wipe the surface and the suction cup. So I'm going to wipe the surface, wipe the suction cup. Then it says to, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little groove right there. And it says to clasp these to the edge of the shade. So as you can see, it's clasped to the shade. It's kind of wiggles in and out of there a little bit, but it should work, hopefully. The reason why I went with this big one and not a bunch of small ones is because I have this rear window I'd like to be able to open and close without a suction cup being on it. So I'm going to put one suction cup here and one on this fixed window. Oh, and because it's too tall, I'm going to try and stuff this behind the seat. It's diffusing with some of that sunlight, as you can see. All right, so there you have it installed. I kind of had to work around the seat belt here, which the wire frame is pretty flexible and it allowed me to do that. It is kind of wrinkled on one side, but I do have a suction cup on the farthest end points, and I could probably rig something up so that I could secure it up here instead of having to use these. But it'll still allow us to open up the window a little bit. We'll see if the suction cups hold. I'm not sure, but anyway, it diffuses enough light so even I can sit back here and it's not as bright, and that was the main goal. So what's that saying? Happy wife, happy life. How about happy baby, happy daddy? Hey, baby. I did forget to mention that the case does not have a zipper on it. It's just completely open on the top. All right, so that's all we have for you today. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. You have a nice day.